In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically move emails to folders in Gmail. If your inbox feels cluttered, this quick setup will help keep messages organized the moment they arrive. In Gmail, folders are called labels, but they work the same way. Apply a label and you'll find those messages neatly grouped in one place. First, open Gmail in your web browser and sign into the account you want to organize. Give the page a second to load your inbox so the menus are available. Next, click the settings gear icon in the top right. In the panel that opens, choose the option to view all settings. This takes you to Gmail's full settings area where you can create and manage filters. Now go to the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This is the control center for rules that sort your mail automatically. Click Create New Filter. A small search box will appear with several fields you can use to define which emails the filter should catch. Click into the From field. This tells Gmail you're going to target messages based on who sent them. Type the email address you want to organize, usually the sender whose messages you always want routed to a specific folder. Double-check for typos so you don't miss messages. If you're not sure of the exact address, you can open a recent email from that sender in another tab to verify it. When you're ready, click Create Filter at the bottom of that search box. Gmail will now ask what you want it to do with matching emails. Check the option Apply the label. This is the action that effectively moves the email into your chosen folder. Click Choose Label. A list of your existing labels will appear. If you've already set up labels that match your workflow, like finance, travel, or projects, this is where you pick the one that fits. Select a label from the list. Remember, labels can be nested, so choosing a sub-label still keeps everything tidy under a main topic. Picking a clear, consistent label makes it easier to find things later. Finally, click Create Filter to save it. From now on, any new email that matches the From address you specified will automatically get that label and appear in that folder. You can confirm it's working by watching for the colored label next to incoming messages. If you ever want to adjust or remove the rule, return to Settings, open Filters and Blocked Addresses, and edit or delete the filter there. That's it. Your inbox just got a whole lot smarter.